Hi, this is Asutoshina. Welcome to Creative Classes. Today I am going to start a new batch of mutual fund that is based on NISM. Because if you are willing to be a good banker and you are willing to join a bank, and if you are trying to crack NISM exam, that is very important to know about mutual fund. And NISM exam, there is no negative marking, but you have to at least you have to cross 50% to get the score and get the certification. So this video will be very important for you and those who are willing to be a good banker and who are appearing for NISM exam. Dear friends, all of you knows about mutual fund. There are 12 chapters and the whole exam depends upon this teach all chapters. So this video is important for mutual fund and this is very short notes and question based explanation, and I am trying to cover all the topics according to exam. So the first chapter is mutual fund investment. The first chapter means why investment. Why investment is important for you, and why investment is important. Then first of all, you will have to think about investment. What is investment? Investment, and then after I will explain about the similarities between investment and savings. Then generally we are thinking about investment is that which meets your financial goals. First of all, you have to think about what is financial goals, then the amount and timeline attached to financial objectives make a specific financial goal to be achieved through the investment. uh, if you want to take some example of financial goals, then you have to save money for your child education, you have to save money for the marriage purpose of yourself, marriage purpose of your child, marriage purpose of your daughter, and any more things. Investment or savings, then there are examples of some savings, like you have to save money for the real estate, you have to save money for your for buy any vehicle, any house, and funding any retirement lifestyles. These all things are type of investment. So there are two types of investment: short term investment and long term investment. This may be your question. Okay, after that we are going to the second topic, that is saving or investment. Then saving means safety of money, like you are depositing the money in your saving account or current account, then it is safe, and you can withdraw whenever you want. But investment means parking money to earn profit out of it, and this is not purely safe, because you will have to take some risk of this money. Like if you buy a land, if you buy a real estate, then your money is going to be parked to that place where you are willing to get some profit. uh, for example, if you are going to buy the property of 10 lakhs, and after some time it will be the value of 15 lakh or 20 lakh too, but this is not very easy to sell at a time. Just like you are depositing the money in your saving account, and you can withdraw whenever you want. But in investment, there are no this type of features, so you can't withdraw money, you can't sell your property directly whenever you want, because this will require some documentation too. So there are some factors to evaluate investment, and we are going to talk about these factors, and these all are the subtopics of this very video. So we continue with us. Yeah, there are some factors of evaluate investment. These factors are safety, liquidity, returns, convenience, ticket size, and taxability. These all factors are very important for your exam purpose and questions like safety. Then you have to think about the safety, where your money is going to be safe or not, whether you are depositing in a trustable scheme or not. Liquidity, then your money have liquidity or not, and there are some more examples of liquidity. Liquidity means the liquidity of fund means if you are having a check, then it will and if you are having 100 rupees note, then the note will be more liquid in comparison with the check, because the check will be withdrawn in the bank itself, but you can purchase anything by using your 100 rupees note. So liquidity means the value of money, and the money can be used or not at a time. There are many type of liquidity, and there are many type of risk also, but we are going to talk about these all factors one by one. Now comes to the asset class. Asset means your own money, your own property. Then there are some types of asset like real estate, commodities, fixed income, equity, and hybrid. What do you mean by real estate? Real estate means those type of asset which is very prominent and have higher value, like land, like your property, like your home, like your flats, these all things. Commodity means the some types of metals and materials which have the value, and you can sell these type of products and get some important of values like gold, silver, diamond, and these all type of things. Fixed income, it is also a asset class like your salary, your basis, and some more things are fixed income. Equity and hybrid, these all things are very important. More examples of fixed income means fixed deposit with a bank, recurring deposit with a bank, endowment policies, money back policies, public provident fund, Shukanya Samriddhi Yojana, senior citizen saving schemes, post office monthly income scheme, recurring deposit with a post office, and you may see these all things in the next slide, and you can also note these all things, because these all things are important for your exam, and maybe it may be asked in any type of questions, and after last I will try to show some more questions. uh, we are going to talk about equity also. Equity means there are some type of equity: blue chip companies, mid-sized companies, small-sized companies, and these all. You can note it down, and you will have to take an explanation of these all things, because I am going to make a very short video. I will try to explain in the next. Real estate I have already explained, and commodities I have told you about. Real estate, there are some type of real estate. You have to think physical assets, residential, commercial, and financial estate. Now what is this residential estate? Residential means you have the property which is being used for your residential purpose. Commercial means you have the properties which is used for market purpose, and financial means you have the properties which is used for the sale purpose, and any more financial income. Some more real estate you have that, like real estate with mutual fund, and this is important question. Abbreviation of this REMP can be asked. REIT, abbreviation of REIT can be asked. Real estate investment trust, infrastructure investment trust. So note these all things, and you will get some more scores. Commodities, I have explained about commodities: gold, silver, and gold funds, and these all things, these all metals have a higher value. So, uh, it was the first chapter of mutual fund. I will upload the second and the next all chapters very soon. So, continue with us, and I will try to explain. I will try to provide the whole content in very short videos. Thanks for watching. Mm,